Hello everyone, myself Pushparaj Singh. As far as weight is concerned, weight is the force by which earth attracts the body, and since weight is equal to mass of the body and acceleration due to gravity, this is the factor of earth, and the value of g depends on height. Since weight depends on g and g varies on height, so weight also varies with height. So here we can write g depends on location and hence weight also depends on location. So as we change the location, weight of the body also changes. Now, force of gravity is non-contact force. We know that every body that is situated over the surface of earth, every body is attracted by the earth. Definitely, this force is a non-contact force. There is no physical contact between earth and any other body placed over the surface of earth. Suppose we are taking a body and we just left this body to fall freely. If this body is falling freely, why it is falling in downward direction? Because earth attracts this body. What about weight? Suppose the value of g is constant throughout. Suppose this is the body of mass m. Mass m is constant and the value of mass does not depend on location. This body may be kept over the surface of earth, may be kept at any height or may be placed anywhere in the universe. Mass is always constant. Mass doesn't depend on location. But what about weight? Suppose for example, here the value is constant. Here the value of g is constant for some height. What about weight? We can see that the weight of the body is mg. If mass is constant, if g is also constant, weight will not change. So whether body is falling freely or body is static somewhere, earth always attracts this body with a force mg. So weight is mg. No problem if body is at rest or moving with some velocity. Weight is not going to change. And if in place of body, if we take a boy and the boy is falling freely, their feeling may change. Their feeling may change. But weight is not going to change unless g is constant. So weightlessness is only a feeling. It is a sensation, not a reality. Weight only depends on g. And what is weightlessness? Weightlessness is only a sensation. It is a feeling. It is not a reality. Weightlessness is nothing to do with weight. So, weight of a body is the force that earth attracts on it, and it can only be measured by some apparatus. And here, weighing machine is available. This is weighing machine, this is a spring balance, another may be a bathroom scale. That can be used to measure weight of the body. And weight of the body is nothing but it is the normal contact force exerted by platform of the machine, and also by a spring balance. A spring balance also exerts a normal contact force in between a spring and body. Here there is also a spring between this platform and this machine. If we put this body over it, a spring compresses and it exerts upward force. And that force is equal to weight of the body. So this machine also measures weight of the body. Same is the case here. If we hang this body here, mg is the force. That is force of gravity. Weight acts in downward direction, and when it is in equilibrium, the same force is exerted by this spring in upward direction, and that contact force is also the measure of weight. So in this way we can find weight of the body. And upward normal contact force is called apparent weight. Actually, the weight we measure, it may not be real. The weight of the body depends on a state of the body. What do you mean by a state? A state gives that whether the body is moving in some direction or not. If it is moving with some acceleration in upward direction, its weight increases. It shows that weight of the body increases. Is it possible that if body is moving then its weight increases? No. because weight is mg. M is not going to change, G is not going to change. So if a body is moving, its weight should not change. But if we measure its weight, suppose by using this machine, a spring balance. If it is static, here we can find a real weight, actual weight. If we accelerate this spring balance upward with certain acceleration, we will find that its weight increases. Actually, this is not the real weight increases, it is the apparent weight. If this machine is falling down with some acceleration, then it is found that weight decreases. So it is the apparent feeling, it is not the real feeling. So apparent weight is the force exerted by a spring or by the contact force, and it varies. It depends on the state of the body. If body is accelerating either in upward direction or in downward direction, then we cannot measure exact weight, actual weight. Actual weight can only be measured when the body is in a static condition, that is in equilibrium condition. Means if body is at rest, by applying some contact vertical upward force on it, or if body is moving with uniform velocity, then only we can get the real weight of the body. Weight cannot be felt without any other opposing force. Suppose why we feel our weight? Because we are standing and we feel that ground acts a vertical contact force over our body. That is why we feel our weight. Suppose we are falling freely in a space, there is no contact force, and we feel that our weight becomes zero. But this is apparent feeling, this is not the real feeling. So feeling of weight is only possible if contact force is present. Now we will discuss about the satellite revolving around the Earth in a space. If a satellite is revolving in Earth's orbit, there must be force of gravity present there. We sometimes feel that astronauts revolving with the satellite is in zero gravity point, but this is not the fact. In zero gravity point, satellite cannot revolve. Definitely G is present there. The value of G is no doubt less in such a height in comparison to the location near the Earth. But what happens? As astronauts that is present in satellite, that is in manned satellite, experiences zero gravity. Actually, this is not the real feeling, but he feels that there is no gravity in the satellite. And since gravity defines the direction, we can only feel that this is the vertical direction, because in this direction, Earth's ground exerts force on us. That is why we can say this is the vertical direction and this is the horizontal direction. But just you feel, if there is no contact force on you and no force is acting by any other means on your body, then how can you define vertical direction? Suppose you are falling. During free fall, your leg may be in downward direction, your head may be in downward direction, your hand may be in downward direction. How can you define the direction of vertical and direction of horizontal? So without the presence of contact force, or without the presence of contact force, a man is not able to distinguish the direction. All directions will be same for astronauts. So picture of astronaut floating in satellite shows this fact. We can see astronauts in TV or in other video that astronauts are available inside the satellite. They are floating inside the satellite, and because they feel zero gravity, but in fact the value of G is not in fact zero there. So finally we can say that weight of a body depends on the value of G only. But weightlessness is only a feeling. Weightlessness is not the fact. Simply it is the contact force. So weightlessness, how can a body becomes weightless? Means how can we feel weightlessness? Weightlessness condition can be felt only when we are falling and every point of our body is falling with same acceleration in same direction and no any other contact force is present. Thank you.